Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Opal and Violet and Mommy Baking Show.
Yeah!
Can you say, I'm Opal?
I'm Opal.
Say, I'm Violet.
I'm Violet.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy.
And I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
And today, we're going to be making Christmas cookies, because it's December. Right, girls?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, let's get cooking.
Let's get cooking.
All right, the first thing we need is 1 cup of sugar. That's a teaspoon and that's a tablespoon. That's not gonna cut it. But Opal, can you use the 1/2 cup? Scoop out that sugar. Okay, that's like 1/8 of a cup. Let's try a little more here. All right, now pour this into the bowl. Very good. Now you get to back off. Violet, not on the table. You're funny. Now you back off and Violet gets to do the next scoop. So Violet, take this and scoop this. No, okay. Can you do it with this? Get a big scoop and pour it into here.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Shh. All right. Get a big scoop.
Me?
Nope, Violet.
Okay.
Get a big scoop. Very good. Now pour it into this bowl. Good job. All right. We had a minor sugar casualty. Got a little bit of sugar here, but that's okay, you know.
Could you
Oh, don't put it on the floor though. You girls. All right. Now we need to soften the butter. So we're gonna put it in the microwave at
And then we see.
At 50%. There's nothing to eat. There's just sugar in a bowl. You girls are crazy. Okay, so I was a little overzealous with the butter. We'll see if it still works, you know? Yeah. Stop chewing on that. We need that. Girlfriend. What do we do with our hands when I'm using the mixer?
Put our hands away.
All right, put them up. Hands away. Don't touch, Violet. You're gonna regret it. We're gonna mix this for about 3 minutes. All right, girls, what's this?
An egg.
An egg, yeah. I'm gonna crack it. Oh, sorry, Opal. Maybe next time you can crack the egg. And then we're gonna add milk and vanilla. All right, can you put it over the bowl? All right, and I'll pour it in, and then you can pour it in. Woo! Good job. Violet, you'll get a turn in a second with another thing. All right, Violet, can you hold this one? Hold it. Nope, hold it over the, nope. Can you put that one down? Put this one down, okay? Can you put it down?
Can
right
I
there.
have the vanilla?
Nope, Violet's doing the vanilla.
Okay,
Okay.
and then me. And then can
No,
I have
oh,
the,
we don't need to scoop with it.
after that,
All right, let's pour in the vanilla.
After that,
You poured it?
After
Very
that,
good.
I want to have a
Let's see, and then we need a little bit more of that, Vi. Can you hold it up again?
Okay, and then me. And then I want me.
I don't think we should do joint baking shows anymore. I don't think it works out. All right, can Opal hold that now?
Yeah.
Okay, can you hand that to Opal? Okay, here.
Thank you.
All right, hold that over here. Okay, and then you can pour that in. And we need 1 more, and you can pour it in. And then I'm gonna beat it again with the electric mixer. All right, very good job.
Down.
Yep, and Violet, don't lick that. It won't taste good, okay? Let's get hands away.
I'm putting them down.
Behind your back, that's good. All right, now we're gonna put in the flour.
Can I do it after you?
You're gonna take turns. So Opal, you can put in this first scoop. You put it right into there. Good. And then Violet's gonna put in the next scoop.
Okay, and then let's do the food scoop for me.
Yeah, we're good at taking turns, aren't we? All right,
Yeah.
Violet, you put it in. Very
And can I do
good.
the food scoop?
Yep, we're gonna keep switching off. All right, now I need to use the electric mixer to beat it all together, okay? So let's keep our hands away again. It's getting very light and fluffy now. And once it's all beaten together, we're gonna put it in the fridge for an hour so we get a break. Hi everybody. So 1 hour turned into 3 days, and now we're all sick and the dough won't spread out anymore. So I made them into little balls. I'm gonna squish them, put them on a sheet, and see if they bake. Cool? Alright, I squished them and I took these little cutters and I stamped in some things. So we're gonna see what these look like when they come out the oven. Not too bad, I think.